Looking to understand Revit structure or don't know where to start, you are in the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Madhu Pandey and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will start with introduction of Revit structure. This tutorial series is perfect for beginners and I'll keep everything simple and practical so you can follow along easily. Let's go by notes. Revit structure. What is Revit structure? Revit structure is a BIM building information modeling software used for structural design and analysis of buildings. Okay? It allows engineers to create 3D models with real data, coordinate with other disciplines, and generate construction documents automatically. In the software, you can do modeling, structural modeling of beams, columns, walls, foundations, automatic generation of drawings, schedules, and material list, coordination with architectural and MEP models, 3D visualization, and analysis. This video, we will mainly focus on introduction of Revit structure, or we can say also structure. From the next video, we will do practical things. Okay, Revit software is mainly based between two parts. Okay, it's divided into two parts: project and families. Okay, project is like Revit works on BIM building information modeling platform, and everything in Revit is either a project or family. Like in AutoCAD, when we draw plan, okay, and we then draw furniture, for example, like columns and beams, we draw it, okay, and then we draw, for example, gate. Revit, the whole floor plan thing is project, and gate and furniture thing is family. Okay, so Revit is mainly divided into two parts: project and family, floor plan and furniture sort of things. Okay, then next, first, project. What is the definition of the project? A project is the complete Revit model of a building or structure. It contains all views, sheet, level, grids, and placed elements. Okay, key features. What is the key features? Entire building or structure. For example, like multi-story building model with beams, columns, walls, floors, and windows. Windows and doors is for architecture thing, and for structure we don't usually use doors and windows. We only focus on structure part. Now there is also project template in Revit. For example, like feet, inches, units, or metric units, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. In every software there are two types of units we need to like set initially. For example, if you know AutoCAD, when we first AutoCAD, then set units by UN enter, exactly like this. But there are templates here, many templates like metric template and imperial or US standard. In imperial and US standard you can see feet and inches, and in metric you can see meter, centimeter, and millimeter. We have to like pick initially. Okay, what a project template contains: levels like floor plan, ceiling plan, like ground floor, first floor, second floor. These are like levels of the building, right? These things: ground first, and roof. Like grids, standard grid lines for structural layout, predefined plan, elevation, and 3D views, text styles, dimension styles, tags, and commonly used family is already loaded. Like door, windows, beams are already loaded. You have to just click and add in your projects. Units and scales, sheets. How to use a project template? How to set it means open Revit, click new project, select template file. A new project inherits all settings and families from the template. You can study it later. Let's go to next point. Advantages of using templates. Like I said, our units is already predefined. If we want to work in feet, inches, we can select imperial. If you want to work in metric system, we can select metric. Tool palettes in Revit. Okay, what is the tool palette? Tool palettes are mainly of menus that provided quick access to commonly used tools and families. For example, like in AutoCAD, we do control 1. Control 1 means object properties. In this series, I'll be giving lot of references of AutoCAD because Revit structure, Revit architecture is advanced software. First we need to learn AutoCAD, then Revit. Okay, we can adjust column, beams, levels, and all things from object properties. How to set project, just screenshot this. Revit, like in AutoCAD we do linear, aligned, radius, same things will be in Revit. Same thing. Okay, how to add dimensions, go to annotate, tab dimensions, key features. What is the key features of this? We did actually theory part, so introduction video is over. In next video we will start from Revit software. So if you enjoy learning Revit, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. And if you want to learn this in live class, you can DM me, this is my Insta, or comment down. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.